Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 45% gain in XLE within 6 days. Let's have a look at the chart of XLE. This sector has been underperforming for a long while, till I've spotted the turnaround in this sector in the middle of April. The sector has finally proven itself with higher prices. Entry is on 12th April, with exit on 18 April. In summary, this is a bullish trade that's entry price of $1.11 and exit price of $1.63. Knowing the turnaround point is the key to success in this play. A nice 45% gain within 6 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 12 April with exit on 18 April. Entry price is $1.11 with exit price of $1.63. This trade has achieved a 45% gain within 6 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.